Today I have a box from Drape Fit. So this is a clothing subscription service that I just recently discovered, and they're a little bit more budget friendly than some of the other ones. So they do give you 5 items to try on and then send anything back that you don't want. So let me just go ahead and unbox this for you and try everything on. So they do send you 5 different items in this, and then you can decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back. They will send you a pre-packaged envelope for you to send anything back that you don't want. It is a $20 styling fee, and this is how it comes packaged inside the box. It also does come with a pre-printed label and a package to send anything back that you don't want. So the $20 styling fee will go toward anything that you decide to keep from the box. Then it also comes with this, which has all of the items that are included and the pricing sheet for it. So I am going to set that to the side. Here's what it looks like. Let me go ahead and open it up. And then it looks like we've got a purple, navy, black, and some denim in here. So let's just see what's inside. These are some brands that I'm not really familiar with either. So it looks like there's a dress in here, short sleeve, and it's from Elings. It's a V-neck short sleeve ruffled dress, size 8, color black. So this is really cute. It could be a great max or midi. I'm not really sure on me what it will be. And then the next thing is this really pretty blue color. It is from Elite. Women's Keep It Classy V-neck long sleeve, size 8, color blue. So it looks just like a more fitted style top. It's a really pretty color. And then this purple is really pretty. Now it does have this crisscross detail in the front, which I used to buy these back about 4 or 5 years ago, so I'm not sure if I still do like that. And it's a cold shoulder, which is kind of out of style to me. But this is the short sleeve V-neck fitted top, size 8, color purple. So we'll see how this looks. But this is not really like in style or trending in my opinion right now, but it's a beautiful color. And then the next thing is this top. It has this little abstract print, black and white, from Vine and Love. It's the V-neck roll-up sleeve top, size 8, and they call it color white. So this has more of a dressier material. So this would look really good with some black pants. And then the last thing is gonna be this denim, and it does have some distressing, which I really don't care for, but it does have a nice wide leg. I'm just not really a fan of distressing. This is a lighter color, and it doesn't have a brand in here. So this is a woman's wide leg denim jeans, light blue, size 8. But I'm not sure what kind of brand this is. So this is what we have to work with. So we'll see what it all looks like on. So I went ahead and started with the dress. And I think this is a great midi length. It's a nice knit material. They do have the ruffle sleeves, V-neck. It's just a great simple dress. And it does have a little bit of seaming here at the smallest part of your waist. And it does have that tier detail. So it's just a classic black dress. And I think it's a great length if you're looking for a little bit more coverage to cover your knees, but you don't want it quite a maxi style. I think this would be really good with flats or with heels as well. I do like the V-neck on this one, and I think the fit's good on this. So this is the V-neck short sleeve ruffled dress, and it's $32.99, so not a bad price. It doesn't have any pockets or anything, so it is a straight fit with that tier detail. So I just went ahead and put on a pair of jeans that I had because I was going to try all the tops on with these jeans, which is what the stylist had suggested. But I tried these on and they didn't meet. They were literally about this far away from meeting. So that's really crazy because these are a size 8, which is what I normally wear, but they are way too tight. And I mean, like my underwear was showing, I couldn't get them buttoned. So I can't try these on for you guys, but they do have this distressing, a wide leg. I would love to show you how these fit, but they just really are about 2 to 3 sizes too small for me. But these are the jeans that they sent, and they are the women's wide leg denim jeans. Not sure the brand because there's no brand tagging in here at all. $29.99, so not a bad price for a pair of jeans, but they just don't fit. And then I'll go ahead, since I have this right here, and tell you the amount for the top. The top is a short sleeve V-neck fitted top, and it's $31.99. So this top is real fitted. It's a little bit more fitted than I like. And the top has this crisscross detail, which I feel was kind of popular maybe back in 2020, 2021, something like that. I don't really care for a cold shoulder because I feel like it's a little bit out of style as well. The color's absolutely gorgeous, but other than that, I don't like the top. So far, that black dress is a pretty good dress. The pants are way too small for me, and I really don't like the distressing on them anyway, so I'm not even gonna try to get a size up. And this top's a beautiful color, but I just don't really like the style for me, so let's move on. I have 2 more tops to share with you. So this is the next top, and it's a little bit oversized, so I feel like the sizing is all over the place. The last top was an 8 and it was a little bit form-fitting. This is an 8 and it's really loose. I do have it front tucked and I'll show you what it looks like in just a minute, but you can see how long the back is. So let me just go ahead and untuck it so you can see. So it is quite a bit longer in the back than it is in the front. So you could wear this with leggings if you wanted to do that, but this is a little bit more of a dressier top, so I would really wear it with work pants instead. But it does have this roll sleeve and it's got this abstract printed detail. It does have your split V-neck. So this is just a top I think I'm gonna pass on as well. And this top is $35.99. So here is the last top. It is a long sleeve top. It's a great one for layering if you wanted to, or just to wear as a lightweight transitioning piece. This has a great V-neck and I do have it front tucked, but I'll just untake it so you can see the full length of it. So it looks like it's the same in the front as it is in the back. It's got these side slits. So it is long enough if you did want to wear it with leggings, you could do that. It's a nice lightweight material. The color's really pretty on this one. So it does fit nicely. So this top is the Keep It Classy V-neck long sleeve top. It's $29.99. So it's under $30 as well. The total for all 5 of the items is $160.95. And then if you purchase all 5, you get the 25% discount, which would take $40.24 off, making the total after taxes $132.21. I kind of like the dress. That's a nice dress that I can wear to any of my kids' functions at school, because I do have to wear a dress because they do go to a private Christian school. So that's something that I could keep and wear to there, or maybe even wear to church if I wanted to do that, because it's just a nice casual midi length dress. So I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.